LEGO1 here. I'm here with yet another tour. I know I haven't been making many Lego movies, like stop motion, but I'm working on some. One is called My Lego Hospital, and I'm getting started for probably my best movie yet, which is The Chase Part 2. And back to the set here. Here's a little guy here. Camera will focus. A new kind of face. Well, it's not too new, but it's a newer one I've seen. It comes, the same face comes in some of the airport sets, and oops, he has like a travel bag, a camera. He's got a little red jacket, zippers, and a spaceman suit. Well, not spaceman, but just a little picture. Dark blue pants. Again, this hairpiece, like the design, is growing in the Lego universe. But this one I like because it's like a red color. And to the rest of the set, there's this little computer. It's almost like a computer stand for probably just like a TV that hangs over you. I put this in my airport. If you see that in some of my movies, I put it in the front. This is pretty cool for $3 or like $3.50. It's a little luggage cart. You can also use it as a shopping cart if you have like a little shopping mall or something. And I do have the box for this one still. It's pretty cool. And it does not come with a lot, but that's because it's just $3.50, I think. And I have to get this set a good 10 out of 10, just because for the price it is, it's pretty cool. Because you get a little luggage cart, a little computer thing. You can either just put it on your airport or somewhere else in your city, and you get a person and a camera and this cool stuff he has. And this is LEGO1 signing out. See my other videos.